Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you the trending effect on TikTok called Artist Manga. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So this is a cool effect as it basically turns your face into a manga comic character from Japan. So let me show you how to get this effect. Open up your TikTok app. Now tap on Discover tab, search for Artist Manga. It should appear under Effects and look like this. Tap on it and browse through the videos made by other users. If you don't see this effect in your search results, then it means it's still not available for your country. Check back later as TikTok is slowly rolling it out to everyone. Once you're ready, tap on Try this effect. Once you go into the TikTok recording screen, the effect will take effect right away. You'll see your face change into a manga character. I believe the more better light you have, the more better effect it'll give on your face. So go ahead and now record your video and post it on TikTok. And that is how to find the Artist Manga effect on TikTok. If you found this video useful, then please hit that like button and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more social media tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.